Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs that I made. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so for our first Dollar Tree project, we're going to be making a mini poinsettia Christmas tree. You're going to want to grab a couple of bundles of their poinsettias that they carry. I used a total of 4 bundles to make this project, and then I think they also carry white if I remember correctly. You're also going to want to grab one of their little tinsel Christmas trees that Dollar Tree has, and I'm going to be using this as the base of my project. I'm going to start off by taking the poinsettias off of the stem. And then they still have a little bit of like the stem sticking out, so I'm just going to trim that off. Okay, so now using some hot glue, I'm just going to glue the poinsettias all around the little tree. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this project is so fast and easy, and it comes out really cute. Okay guys, so for our second project, we're going to be making a Christmas wall hanging. And so for this, I just grabbed a couple of the ornaments that they have at Dollar Tree. You can grab a few of the same ones if you want this to be more matchy-matchy, but I decided that I wanted to go with the color scheme, which is white, but then you could also pick like a certain type of like Christmas theme, whatever fits your decor. And they have a bunch of really cute ornaments in at Dollar Tree right now. I'm also going to be using some macrame cord that I already had to put this all together. Dollar Tree does carry macrame cord, but you could also use like yarn or twine, whatever you have will work. And so I just cut out a really long piece of cord, and then I folded it in half, and I made a knot at the top so that this can hang. Next, I'm going to start gluing my pieces onto the macrame cord, and I'm going to start out with the snowman. And I thought about tying the cord onto this little thingy that all the ornaments have, but then I decided not to. Anyways, I'm just going to glue all my pieces into place, and then I made sure to leave like about a 3-inch gap in between each piece. Now that all the pieces are glued into place, I'm going to trim off the remaining macrame cord that I didn't use, and then I'm going to use some of these little puff balls that I have. I can't remember if I got these at Dollar Tree or not, but I've definitely seen stuff like this in the craft section. Anyways, I'm going to glue these onto the macrame cord in between all of the little figures, and yeah, we're done with this. And this was also such a really fast project, and it's so adorable. Alright guys, so for our last Dollar Tree project, we're going to be making a Christmas tree painting with ornaments. So you're going to want to pick up a canvas from Dollar Tree. They were out of the size that I would have used for this project, which was 8 by 10. So I'm just going to use a canvas that I already have. And then you're also going to want to pick up some of their like little mini ornaments. So start out by drawing a Christmas tree, and don't worry about making this perfect. This leans more towards like the boho style, and boho is very like handmade looking. And so the Christmas tree that I decided to sketch is like just with like little waves, but you could do like a triangle for the tree because the real star of this is going to be the ornaments. And so you could also just do like a stick figure tree. Anything would like really work with this. And now that I have my tree sketched, I'm just going to go over it with black acrylic paint. And just going in with the paint makes this look so much better. Now that the tree is dry, I'm going to grab some of the little ornaments and I'm just going to stick them in through the canvas and pick whatever you think looks good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We are done. Also, if you can't manage to stick them into the canvas, you could just hot glue them into place. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!